Hey guys, so today's video is very short and sweet and it's a nice short tutorial on how to seal in your stamping nail art with dip powder liquids. Now, I can't take credit for anything that I've learned here today because my dear friend Miranda from Miranda's Nail Creations taught me this technique, and I just wanted to share this information with everybody else who loves stamping but also loves stamping over their dip powder and loves the durability of dipping. So here I'm just showing you guys how to stamp. You probably do not need a tutorial on that. If you do, I'm going to have one linked here. Anyways, regardless of where you're in your stamping journey, whether you do one color stamping like I'm doing here, you're doing reverse stamping, layering, whatever the case may be, this part isn't relevant until your polish is completely dry. After your polish is completely dry, you want to take your smudge-free top coat from whatever the brand that you use and put it over the design. You want to protect your design, and the smudge-free top coat is essential because it ensures that your design does not smudge. After that's applied, you're going to want to let that completely dry, and then you're going to have to pull out your dip powder activator liquid. If you have a spray bottle, that one would be awesome, but if you don't, you can still use the brush on one. You just have to be very, very careful and only do like one or two strokes at a time so that it doesn't penetrate the smudge-free top coat and then cause smudging. Then let your activator dry on top of your nail for about 2 minutes and then pull out your dip powder top coat. You're going to apply your top coat like you normally would every time that you do your dip powder top coat, 2, maybe 3 strokes on your nail, and then let that dry for about 15 seconds and then go in with your second coat of top coat for a more precise application. Alright, now you're completely done. Let your top coat completely dry and then go about your normal day. And enjoy having a long-lasting stamped manicure with no chipping like you would with polish. And if you guys try this technique, let me know how it works for you. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe.